One day, like any other, Atom was resting in his cave. But from one moment to the next, the earth began to shake and his cave collapsed.
We see that there is an arrow here. Means you already know what to do.
Okay, boss.
Ah! What happened to me?
You had an accident, but you are fine now. You can go now.
Ugh, ugh. Where will I be? And what will have happened to my home?
Who are you?
I know one revenge, so help me get out and let's this gear.
Okay.
After the surgery, Atom and his friend went back to the forest, and they found all the trees cut down.
But my home, there are no trees anymore. One tree still standing. No!
Come on, Atom. Take it down.
Just you wait.
Go harder, Atom.
I still seek revenge.
After a fight, Atom and his friend decided to protect the forest from the robots.